Hello students, myself Utpal Madhu, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today I shall discuss about non-destructive testing. Non-destructive testing refers to methods used to evaluate the properties of a material, component or system without causing harm or damage it. These techniques allow for inspection and assessment of defects, material characteristics, or structural integrity without altering material's original state. Key purpose of non-destructive testing: detect flaws and defects, identify cracks, voids, corrosion, and other discontinuities without altering or damaging the material, monitor structural health, perform routine checkup to track wear and tear over time, helping to predict potential failures before they happen. Applications of NDT in aerospace: inspect aerospace structures; in oil and gas fields, test pipelines and pressure vessels; in constructions, examine bridges and buildings; in manufacturing, quality control of parts and assemblies; in power plants, monitor reactor, vessels and turbines. Importance of non-destructive testing: safety assurance helps prevent accidents by identifying defects early, protecting lives and the environment. Cost efficiency avoids unnecessary repairs or replacements by pinpointing specific problem areas without dismantling equipment. Quality control ensures that manufactured parts meet design specifications and quality standards before use. Industry reliability builds trust in critical sectors like aerospace, nuclear energy, and infrastructure where failures can have serious consequences. Now, difference between non-destructive testing and destructive testing. NDT checks for defects without damaging the material, whereas DT tests the mechanical properties by breaking or deforming the materials. In NDT, the material remains usable after testing, whereas in DT, the material is destroyed or weakened and cannot be used. NDT is often more cost effective in the long run, as there is no material loss, whereas DT involves material loss, so it can be more expensive. NDT is used for quality control and maintenance, whereas DT is used for design validation and material research. Common NDT methods: visual inspection. It is simplest, uses eyes and tools. Ultrasonic testing uses high frequency sound waves. Radiographic testing uses X-rays or gamma rays. Magnetic particle testing for detecting surface and near surface flaws in ferromagnetic materials. Dye penetrant testing detects surface cracks, and eddy current testing uses electromagnetic induction. Thank you for patience hearing.